Okay, we're moving along. Now, you created your ClickFunnels account, you imported the funnel itself, the secret affiliate machine, right? So at first, your account looked like this, a completely new, fresh account. And after you imported the funnel, it should look like, hold on, let me refresh this one. It should look like this, okay? So the secret affiliate machine I share with others, that's the name I gave it, should be in your account right now. And if you click on it, okay, you should be on this page right here, okay? So now what we're gonna do is basically, I will show you how you can get your very own affiliate link for ClickFunnels, for signing up new users. And I will show you how we can swap my affiliate link out and put yours in, okay? So the first thing you want to do is go back to the resources page. I told you we're going to use it very often in this course, and go to, no, that's wrong. I'm sorry. It's not in the resources page, but you're going to go to inside of your ClickFunnels account and go to your account, okay? And scroll all the way down to affiliates, okay? And click on affiliates, and then it will load. It will take some time at times. Awesome. Okay, so it loaded. Basically what you see right now, and what you should see is, you should see this very page, which there's a lot of numbers, statistics, buttons, it might be confusing, but what this basically is, it's your own affiliate dashboard, okay? So when you start promoting ClickFunnels with the secret affiliate machine, you will check on how many trials, how many new customers you got through this page, okay? So every time you're in your ClickFunnels account and you want to check on that, go to your account and scroll down to affiliates, okay? And click on that and you will be on this page. Now, we're gonna get your very own affiliate link, okay? So stay with me here. You're gonna scroll down and go to this third section right above this area, which says ClickFunnels Affiliate Center. And right above that is this button, Affiliate Tools, Get My Links. You're gonna click on that and a new window will open. And you will see this page, okay, where they explain everything about the ClickFunnels affiliate program. And we talked about that a couple of times now, so you don't need to read that, but you can if you like. Anyway, you want to go down and go, what do you want to promote, okay? And you want to click on Get Affiliate Tools above or under this free 14-day trial offer, okay? Get Affiliate Tools. It will scroll down, okay? So you will see this section here, okay? And this is a default link. We don't want to use the default link, okay? What you want to do is go to this section, click Select Link, and go to Short Trial Page. That's very important because we want it to make it as easy as possible for people to sign up for ClickFunnels, which is the short trial page, okay? You're gonna click that, and as you see in the custom links section, it will basically put in a custom affiliate link, okay? Which is sign up ClickFunnels free trial, and somewhere in here, you will see your own affiliate ID, okay? Which is your own ID. Nobody else has that, and that's the way ClickFunnels knows, okay, you referred them a new customer, okay? So you're gonna click it 3 times and do Command and C, to copy it. You can also just do this, okay? And we copied the link right now. You're gonna go back, not to the affiliate center, but to your ClickFunnels account, and ClickFunnels, funnels, click the secret affiliate machine, and you want to go to edit here. Click on edit here, okay? And here you're going to go to edit page, right? And what this does is basically opens up the ClickFunnels editor, okay? And it's super easy to use, but for now, you don't need to change anything, okay? This is all optimized. It runs like a charm. All you need to do is go to this button, right? Which is the button where people sign up for ClickFunnels once they go through this funnel, okay? So you're gonna click the button, and you will see on the right hand side a couple of things will pop up, okay? Don't worry about that. All you need to do is go to this edit section and go to set action, click on that, okay? And then you will see go to website URL, and right now this is my affiliate link, and you're gonna delete that, okay? And you're gonna paste Command V, paste your own affiliate link in that, okay? So you go back, you click somewhere in the background, and you're gonna hit save right here on the top right, okay? Save. And as you can see, you will see just here, you will see the link with your very own affiliate link, okay? And since we saved this, okay, we can go back right here where it says exit on the top left, okay? And be back at our funnel overview. And now basically you've done it. We switched my affiliate link to yours, okay? So the secret affiliate machine is in your account with your affiliate link, and basically we're pretty much done in setting everything up so that you can start driving traffic to it. But, you know, what a lot of people don't realize is how we can maximize our trial stick rate and our conversions as to how many people sign up through your strategic system compared to how many people see the entire funnel, okay? So in the next steps, we're going to talk about how we set up an email follow-up sequence, okay? Because since on the very first page of this funnel in the opt-in section, they put in their email address. You get to email these people based on, you know, because they put in their email address, and send them relevant information and tell them basically, hey, hi, you signed up for the secret affiliate machine. I'm here for you to help. How can I help? You know, just basically bear with the people who sign up and follow up with them will help increase your conversions by a ton. Okay, so that's basically what we are going to do in the upcoming lectures. But for now, we are done with the very technical part of things. So ClickFunnels account, check. Imported secret affiliate machine, check. Switched out affiliate links, check. Okay, so I'm proud of you that you made it this far, and I see you in the next lecture.